Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we will be assembling the model kit for the 1930 Cadillac Fleetwood, available at miniaturetanks.com. So the first step of this kit is to take your sprue cutters and cut away at the little sprues. And so this should be good for the two parts of the car. The rest is we're going to do some sprue cuts on this bumper. There you go. And let's go ahead and do the other bumper while we're at it. There you go. And clean up these little sprue marks. And just keep cutting away at these tires. One by one, just cutting away at the tires here and getting rid of these little sprue marks and such. So as you can see, this is a fairly simple and easy kit to do. It just comes with these 6 wheels, and you might be wondering why 6 wheels, but, well, if you saw the listing picture, you will know why. But, alright, so the cutting away process is done for this kit. Now we're going to glue the parts together. So that goes like that. So the first step is let's just put some glue here. Like that. And then stick it together like that. Just making sure that it's going down in the correct position. Just make sure. Pressing firmly. Okay. All right. So the two parts of this car are glued together. If you wish to get rid of this seam line, you could take some modeling putty or hobby putty and put it on the top there and sand it down and such, and that should make that roof nice and smooth and get rid of that seam line. For this seam line, it's actually along the doors, so that should be fine. All right, so the next step is take some glue and put there and put some glue there. There you have it. And then put a tire there and a tire like that. There you go. All right, yeah, so the next step is let's take some glue and put it there on this axle. And then, of course, like I've said before in other model kit videos, make sure this axle piece is going down in the center of the wheel. All right, so that should be good for that. While we're doing the front, let's just do the front. Okay, and just make sure that it's going in the center. The axle is going in the center. All right, so just reference both sides. Make sure that they're lined up well. All right, and then we're going to do the back here. Put some glue there. Make the axle go in the center of the wheel. And actually, looks like it goes really close to the wheel well. And then, of course, we do the other side here. Put some glue there. Make sure this wheel is going down like this. And reference both sides. And then, of course, you want to take the car and put it on all 4 wheels on a flat surface and make sure that it's all going down correctly. Now, of course, put some glue on the front, like that, and then we will put on the bumper, the front bumper. Then reference the front, make sure that the front bumper is going down in the correct position. Once it's in a good position, you might want to just leave it there and let the glue dry. The last step of this kit put some glue on the back. And take the last piece, the back bumper, and put it like that. All right, so there you have it, the 1930 Cadillac Fleetwood. A very cool looking car. Very stately. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.